Kia ora Year 9. This is a video looking at how we multiply algebraic expressions and algebraic terms. So try and do the first 3 questions from what we've done in class, especially think about the difference between number 1 and number 2. Okay, so the first one is a times a times a times a. So if we think about a numerical equivalent, if we've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, we write that as 2 to the power of 4. So it's the same idea here. It's a to the power of 4. The second one is quite different. It's a plus another one, plus another one, plus another one. So that gives us 4 lots of a. So don't confuse these two things. This one is really the result of addition, and this is the result of multiplication of a by itself 4 times. Number 3, we can write out slowly, just while we start doing them, as 3 times a times 6 times a. Now we know that the order we multiply in doesn't matter. Okay, so here we could rewrite that as 3 times 6 times a times a. Now we don't want you to do that after you've done about the first 2 examples. Okay, so you don't have to do that in an algebra test. In fact, it will really slow you down as you do, but you need to understand where this is coming from. That when I've got multiplication like this, I just multiply the numbers first and then I work with my letters. So a times a gives me the a squared. Alright, so try these 3, pause the video and have a go at these, and then we'll come back through them. Alright, so the first one, I could rewrite it more slowly, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to work with the numbers first. So 42b squared. The next one, work with the numbers first. So this one I will do a bit more slowly. I can see that I've got 7 times b times b times 4 times b times b times b. Right, sorry about the background music. And now I can easily see that I can just pop the numbers first. So 7 4s are 28. And I've got b times b times b times b times b. And as we've noticed in class, what we get here is we get b to the power of 5. So when I've got the same base, I add the indices or exponents. And the next one is the same idea. So I've got negative 3a squared times 4a to the power of 5 gives me negative 12a to the power of 7. Right, so I've got a is the base here and a is the base here. So I can just add the powers. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped.